Hi folks, welcome back to Dream, Build and Fly. Today we want to share with you a development that came about. We're developing a smaller vintage style plane for scratch building. It's going to be our next release. And in the process of that, we wanted to do something. We wanted to make it so that it could be powered by electric power or classic 049 Cox 049 power for the modelers that still like to fly nitro and do it up true vintage style. So what we came up against is that, how do we make the design so that we can fit an 049 or an electric motor? We came up with a fairly novel solution to do this, and we think that it's valid to release this as a separate item because we're sure there's people out there that want to build an 049 style scratch built plane, and they want to put electric power on it, and they're not sure how to do that, how to change it up. So this makes the mounting simple. If you have an 049 plan, mounts an 049 engine, either long style or short style, you just print one of these mounts out and put the electric motor on it, and you'll be set to go. So I'll just show you how it works here. So this is basically our setup. It's basically a printed tank, printed cylinder, the electric motor mounts. I hope you can see that. Typical X-mount style mounting bolts go through the mount. The mounting flange is the same as a Cox 049. So basically you will screw this to the Cox 049 mounting holes. It's developed so that the prop spacing between the mounting and the prop driver is the same. So this is the Black Widow Golden Bee style. We also in the files will provide a print for a short tank. This is the short tank style. So basically it'd be the same as the Baby Bee style. You can see that they're the same length. We do this up so that the files print separately, the head prints separately, so you can print it in a different color. You can print the back end in a different color. Any filament will work. Don't recommend straight PLA for the back here, just because brushless motors can get a little bit warm. So recommend a different PT, a PET G, or some heat resistant filament for the back part, but the rest can be printed with whatever filament you want. You can change the colors up, make it look like you want. Gold for a Golden Bee, black for a Black Widow. Has a little mounting hole here. You can mount a little screw to make it kind of look like has a needle valve. It looks the part. The head's in the right spot, the cylinder's in the right spot. You can paint it up to your satisfaction, and away you go. We think this will make it simple. Basically, as I explained, mounting holes for an 049, 049 mounts there, electric, mounts up the same way. So that's our idea. We're going to provide these files on one of the online file providers. There'll be a slight nominal charge. We just want to buy some filament, to keep the process going. But we hope that you find it useful. As always, we hope we can convince you to subscribe and like. We're trying to grow this. We want to hit the algorithm. So the more people that subscribe and like our channels, we can push this forward and maybe keep providing some excellent content for scratch builders and people that do model aircraft in general. Thanks for your time. Dream, build, and fly.